I just have a few things that I want to go over that we didn't go over in class, just to try and make this a little easier on you guys. The first thing is you remember in class when I was importing the images into Flash and into After Effects, my images were actually rotated counterclockwise 90 degrees. So to start you off, I'm actually going to show you how to create an action in Photoshop to kind of batch process the folder that contains your images. And should they be rotated 90 degrees, you can actually rotate them the correct way. First thing I'm going to do is I'll actually just go ahead and open up my first image in Photoshop. Now, because I've actually ended up using a couple of different colors for coal erase pencils as I've drawn this, I'll end up making this a grayscale image. But before I do that, the first thing that I need to do is start recording an action. So if you come over here and click on this little, it's like a little play button inside of a rectangle, it'll open up your actions palette. Go ahead and click on this icon down here, similar to the create new layer icon, and it'll create a new action. Let's go ahead and name this action animation prep. And I'll go ahead and click record. And now everything that I do to this particular document in Photoshop will be recorded. So I come up to image. I'll just go ahead and change this to grayscale. All right, once again, I'll come to image, come down to image rotation, and select rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And now I will turn the action off by pressing on the stop icon right over here. And I am going to close this document and not save it. It's kind of important that I don't save it so that I don't process these actions twice when I automate the entire folder. Now I will go to File, and I'm going to come down to Automate and select Batch. This will open up the Batch menu. Let's go ahead and specify the folder that we will be performing this action on. All right, actually, first of all, you need to make sure that you have source selected as a folder. Then choose the location of this folder, which is on my desktop, Stitch Demo. I'll select Choose, and for the destination, make sure that you have Save and Close selected, and then just go ahead and press OK. And just watch as Photoshop does its thing. Now what it's doing is actually opening up each individual frame that's part of my animation, making it all grayscale